What is up? What is up? Is Nicole Cheney, and I'm coming live at you from Ontario, Canada. So we are cooking some stuffed pepper soup today for supper. Has anyone tried this recipe before? It's like really tasty. We have had this before. I enjoyed it. I've enjoyed it. Hubby enjoyed it, and I guess that's all that matters, right? So when you pop on, say hi, okay? And if you're new, put new in the comments because I would absolutely love to get to know you and reach out to you and just see how you're doing. If you're new, put new. Tell me where you're coming in from. Tell me how long have you guys been keto for? Put it all in the comments. Put it all in the comments, okay? So we're gonna get started. Basically, all I've done is I've cooked the meat here, okay? I fried it up in olive oil, two tablespoons of olive oil. Okay, now it's simmering in chicken broth. Okay, that's what it's doing, okay? So, and if you guys are new to me, what we do is I kind of like share how to do it. And if you want the recipe, you put it down in the comments. Just put recipe in the comments and I send you the recipe. No strings attached. I just send it to you, okay? All right. I just don't have, I just wasn't able to write it up before this. So if you want this, just, want the recipe for this, just let me know and I will get that to you as fast as I can. Okay. So this has 2 cups of broth in it, and it's just ground chicken, fried up, cooked, all that good stuff, okay? Now we're going to add the vegetables to it, and what I have here, vegetable-wise, is, okay, so I've chopped up a green pepper here, 1 green pepper right there, okay, and I've gotten like 2 celery sticks of, well, celery, basically, and we're just going to shove it in here. Okay, and then this is going to cook for a little bit here. So, as you guys are checking in, tell me where you're coming in from. Are you new? How long have you been keto or low carb for? Would love to know. Is there anyone that's new to the low carb keto lifestyle on here? I would absolutely love to know that. For me personally, I have been keto low carb for 2 years. My husband about a year, and my kids about a year. They came in after me. Did this nice little lifestyle. For those of you who are new to this page, I cook family-friendly meals. Okay, so my girls eat everything that we cook. All right, my oldest is 4, my youngest is 2. My 4-year-old does have high-functioning autism, so we found that eating this way has actually really got her able to focus a little bit better and just kind of like interact a little bit better too. Less tantrums. So that's kind of like how I got started in all of this and my little bit of a background here. Okay. All right. Here we go. Okay, so now that it's kind of gotten cooked a little bit, what we're going to do is we're going to add the cauliflower rice. Now, my cauliflower rice kind of turned into mashed cauliflower when I was making it, so we'll just kind of go with it. We're going to go with it. And again, if you're new, you can put the recipe in the comments, and I'll send you the written recipe. Also, I do have a 30-day keto meal plan. That's kid-friendly. My girls actually ate with it. So if you're interested in getting that, just put meal plan in the comments and I'll just send it to you. No strings attached, just gonna send it to you. Just to help you out. So here's my cauliflower rice. As you can see, it is kind of like mashed cauliflower, isn't it? It's alright. It's all good. I think it's because I steamed it before I chopped it. So it just kind of went mashed in the chopper. Whatever, it's all good. It's gonna taste the same anyways. It's gonna have a different consistency, right? Basically, that's what it's gonna have, okay? So now that all the veggies are in, so this is basically all the veggies, okay, that we're gonna add. We are still unable to get to a grocery store, so I don't have fresh garlic, but you can add some fresh garlic to this if you're got any or you're able to go to a grocery store. There we go. looking good. Looking good. Don't you think? It's looking good. Okay, so now we're going to add some of the spices to it. So I have some Italian spice here that we're just going to, there we go, add to it. And I got my garlic powder because I don't have fresh garlic. Woo-hoo. It's okay. We make do. We make do, right? Okay. And then some pink Himalayan salt. I'm almost at this too. Oh. Here we go. And then I have Worcestershire sauce, okay? I guess you can't see it. It's backwards, the written. But we got some of this, so we're going to add some of this to it. I'm just going to stir the spices in first. And then we'll add the sauce to it. Go. So for this, you want like 2 tablespoons of this. Again, if you're just tuning in, just put recipe in the comments and I'll send you the recipe. Also, I have a 30-day keto meal plan if you want it. My kids like everything on there. Like on the meal plan, it's like pretty cool. Like I got Cinnamon Toast Crunch cereal on there. That's keto friendly. I got cake batter cereal on there. It comes complete with recipes too. This recipe's on there. I got stuffed avocados on there. It is it's a good it's a nice little meal plan. Just throwing that out there. I also have keto pancakes on there. I think there's bacon wrapped cabbage on there as well. There we go. And of course it comes with all the recipes too. So there we go. That's your soup. And then we're just going to let it simmer and cook for about 5 minutes now that's all together. And then you're good to go. That's all you need to do to make this. So it's pretty quick and easy to kind of make. It's just the prep is a little bit harder because you got to cook the meat first and then make your cauliflower rice. But if you just get it frozen, then you don't have to make it, right? So it's pretty easy to put it all together. So I'm just going to let this cook for 5 minutes and then we're going to eat some grub. Some grub, all right? So, again, if you found value in this, please feel free to share. If you want to follow this page, please feel free to follow, subscribe. I cook daily on the Facebook page, cooking all the time. And YouTube, I upload 2 videos every single day. This one's probably going to be going on next week. So, I just cook and I share, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm going to leave you guys to it because we have some hungry little girls who are so excited for this soup. So I hope you guys have a fantastic day, and I'll see you guys later. Bye, guys.